Over 1 billion people use Facebook Marketplace every month, but only a few are reselling items for real profit. While others scroll, some are making hundreds a day, from things they didn't even buy new. In today's video, and for educational purposes only, we'll show you exactly how to flip on Facebook Marketplace, what to buy, how to sell, and how to win the game. If you aren't doing this, someone else in your city is, and they are cashing in big. Stay tuned. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Getting started with flipping. Flipping on Facebook Marketplace is a profitable way to make money, but it requires strategy, research, and consistency. Start by finding undervalued items in your local area, like furniture, electronics, or collectibles, that you can resell for profit. Search for listings with vague descriptions, bad photos, or sellers who are moving and looking to offload items quickly. Number 2. Finding the best deals. Negotiate with sellers to get the lowest possible price, but always remain polite and respectful during the conversation. Use tools like price-checking apps, or eBay sold listings, to estimate how much an item could resell for before purchasing it. Focus on items that are easy to clean, fix, or enhance to increase their value and appeal to potential buyers. Number 3. Optimizing listings for sales. Once purchased, clean or repair the item and take high-quality photos with good lighting, to make your listing stand out. Write detailed, honest descriptions that highlight key features, dimensions, and any imperfections of the item. Set competitive but profitable prices, by researching similar items on Facebook Marketplace in your area. Use keywords in your listing title, to make your items easily searchable by buyers on the platform. Number 4. Building buyer trust. Respond promptly to inquiries from potential buyers, to build trust and increase the likelihood of closing a sale. Always meet buyers in public places or use well-lit, secure locations, for exchanging items safely. Offer delivery as an option for larger items to reach more buyers, and justify slightly higher prices. Number 5. Scaling your business. Keep track of your expenses, sales, and profits, to understand your margins and identify your most profitable flips. Experiment with flipping items in different categories, to see what works best for your area and market demand. Leverage Facebook groups and local selling communities, to find more buyers and increase your visibility. Reinvest your profits into higher value items or bulk deals, to scale your flipping operation over time. Number 6. Staying ahead. Stay updated on marketplace trends, and pay attention to seasonal demand to flip items that sell quickly. Take advantage of Facebook ads or boosted listings, to promote high-value items to a broader audience. Network with other local flippers to share tips, exchange inventory, and learn from their experiences. With patience, effort, and the right approach, you can build a profitable flipping business on Facebook Marketplace. That's how you can start flipping on Facebook Marketplace, but if you want to take it to the next level, and learn the secrets of the reselling game, check out this video right here, in breaking down the best strategies to turn those flips into real business. See you there.